Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $100 a day with the fully 24/7 automated futures trading bot, which is not only beginner friendly but also has a very low minimum investment requirement. I'm also gonna show you how much profit I made with the bot, but let's not talk too much and let's start this video with how to set up your futures grid bot. So the first thing you gotta do, guys, is go to the top of my description and click on the partner Bybit link. After you clicked on it, you will go to the Bybit create account page and just create an account using my link, which has my promo code. So after you set up an account using my link, the next step is really easy, guys. From the Bybit homepage, all you gotta go is to the top of the page and just click on trading bots add tools. As you can see, I've already got a bot running, but I'm gonna show you the details of that bot after I showed you how to set up your own bot. So from the Bybit trading bot, you just scroll down and go to futures grid bot, which is ideal for any market condition and can make you up to 374,000 APR, even though that seems a little bit high, guys. So just click on create now. Then when this loads, guys, you can see we have BTC. So the first thing we get to see is AI strategy for a neutral bot. Neutral bot means that between the price range of 15,000 and 18,000 that it will buy and sell Bitcoin for longs and shorts. So it will make money if Bitcoin goes up and it also will make money if Bitcoin goes down. As you can see, you can make 0.8% to 1% profit per grid trade, and you can have 25 grids. This means at 25 points between 15,000 and 18,000, it will start selling and buying and make you money. But you can also see that the minimum requirement is 277. You also have a long bot. This bot actually makes less profit now. And this is basically a bot where you can only make money if Bitcoin goes up. And you get a short bot, which even makes less money. And you can only make money if a bot and the price goes down. But I would never do long or short, guys. It's too risky. Neutral is the best. It has the best results. You can see the minimum investment is 277, but you can actually lower that if you go to manual, guys. Always pick AI strategy, but you can see if you make your number of grids, so the points that you buy between the price points lower, you can see that the price of investments goes lower as well. But of course, your trade profit actually goes up, but you make less trade. This means if you normally make like 50 trades a day, with like 1%, you will now make like 20 trades with 2% or even less, because it all depends if they hit the points. Also, guys, there's some other coins as well. So this one, I would actually always go with the neutral AI strategy. So you got Ethereum as well, guys, and you can see that Ethereum makes way less now and the minimum investment is actually higher. So Ethereum doesn't look really nice either. But I got a secret coin which I've been testing and I'm gonna show you right now which coin it is. So the secret coin I've been testing, which actually is doing amazing 8% in a day range, is Render, guys. So as you can see, Render is a little bit better than Bitcoin, but one really nice point is the minimum investment you can make is $0.4. So you don't have to start this bot with $300-400. No, you can just test it with $50 and $100. And why did I choose Render, guys? Why did I test Render out? Basically, if you take a look, guys, at the 1 hour charts of Render, you can see that this coin keeps going up and down, up and down, up and down, meaning it will buy here, sell on the uptrend, buy here, sell on the downtrend, and it will keep doing this. And if you check out this line here, you can see that every day for the past 14-15 days, it's hitting this price point. So it's always going lower and higher. So it's getting so many points to buy Render token. And this is why I chose Render. My second opinion is, not financial advice, use a token which you trust. Use a token which you think has a future. So it will never just crash all the way down and you won't make money. So this token is actively traded, goes up and down. And that's why I trust Render token, guys. And now let's get on with the moment you've been waiting, the results and how much profit you can make. So after a week of futures bot, so you can see 7 days, I made 8% profit, and 8% doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a lot, guys. So how much profit can you make? So with bot trading, the bot makes 8% per week, meaning it's making 1.14% a day. So if you want to make $5 a day, you will need to invest $5 divided by 1.14 means $440. If you want to make $10 a day, you should invest $880. If you want to make $25 a day, you can invest $2,200. $50 a day, 50 divided by 1.14 is $4,400. And if you want to get to $100 a day and make the same results that I'm making, you will need $8,800 to make $100 a day. So what is the APR, guys? The APR, which I'm currently doing, is 447%, meaning if you would invest, like, let's say $1,000, you would have $5,400 after a year. So your money times 5.4. So that's the statistics, right? Like all other YouTubers would say, yeah, invest $200, make $100 a day. That's not possible, guys. That's just with scams. I'm showing you legit percentages, legit results, testing it myself. I actually tested a few futures bot before this and they didn't work out. I lost money. So I test everything to make sure I get the best content. So what are my results, guys? So as you can see, 8.8%. I had 113 trades, and as you can see, some are open, but most of them are sold with profit, guys. So this bot every day is trading, getting profit, making me more and more money, and the percentages just keep going up, guys. So yeah, guys, the next step is how can you actually up? So let's say I've been testing this for a week and I want to say this bot is going really well. I want to put more money. You just go to your homepage, do your bot and details, and you can just put, I want to put $1,000 extra and just confirm. The next step, if you say, yeah, this bot is not working for me out, doc, I want to do a new bot or test something else, you can just go to trade, tools, trading bot, my bot, details, and just terminate the bot, guys. So really easy, really nice setup. So my final tips and tricks, guys, is test it out, sign up with my link. No, I'm just kidding. Just find a bot with the money, coin which you trust, which has a future. Secondly, look at the graphs. It's going up and down a lot, because when it's not moving a lot, it's saying the same price exactly, you won't make many profitable trades. So it has to go up and down a lot. Then third tip is use neutral, guys. Really important. Don't be stupid and make like long and short because it shows more, because it's more dangerous as well, guys. And lastly, of course, use my link if you're gonna try the bot. That's helping out the channel and motivating to test more money making methods for you. Also, guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, hit the subscribe button for more content like this, and YouTube. Until next time.